And now, let's talk about the Dante's Inferno, the crime industry in 2025. You may also know that in April this year, the BreachForums was brought offline, so could we say that we are now safe? Well, we will now find that out by entering the Dante's Divine Comedy Part 1 Inferno, the first part of the poem, where we go through the 9 circles of hell and then come back. As we know, the phrase "abandon all hope, ye who enter here" was written above the gates of hell in Dante's Inferno. Let's see if we can navigate the same 9 circles, in this case utilizing our 5 different steps: Telegram, dark web markets, ransomware, and dark web forums. So before we do that, let's explain the surface web versus deep versus dark web. Surface web is what we know, the Google, Facebooks, the usual web that we normally browse using our browsers. The deep web is almost the exact same thing, this time requiring an authentication to log in, HTTPS or some other medical records, banking systems, and so forth. Dark web, on the other hand, is an area of the internet that is not indexed by surface web search engines. So dark websites are intentionally kept hidden, and you need a special system utilizing the Tor network and a browser, most likely a Tor browser, to do your browsing on this domain. As you can see, the dark web is at least the same size, if not more, than the surface web that we know of.